What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, today your girl is back with a lock retwist. Okay, so I just washed my hair with a new product. Wait, is this gray hair? Is this gray hair? Girl, I don't know. Anyway, so I just washed my hair with a new product and I'm a fan. It got my hair really clean. But let's jump into this video. So it's time for a retwist. I haven't had one since last month. I like to do my retwist once a month. So yeah, let's jump. What you're gonna need for this retwist is 3 products. You're gonna need an alligator clip and a scrunchie, and to style your locks you're going to be using an oil. Okay, so as you guys may know, I only use oil and water to retwist my locks. Let me tell y'all, do not sleep on the oil. Your girl has not looked back since, and it's going on 2 years. So anyway, so I gently separate my locks, and I start off by putting a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil on the roots of my locks, not the scalp but the root, and all the way down the shaft, and start to retwist. For me, I retwist my locks to the right, and I don't cornroll. Now you guys may see me do cornroll in this video, but trust me, it's not on purpose. It's just like a second nature thing, just make me want to go like this. But I only retwist at the root. I just take my lock and I twist at the root, and those loose hairs y'all see right there, I just wrap them around all the way down the lock, and I secure it with the alligator clip. And this is where the scrunchie comes into hand. Once enough of my locks are retwisted, I take the scrunchie and I just secure it with my locks, and as I go on to retwisting, I secure that lock into the ponytail holder, and it gives this seamless look. So I then start using clips to retwist my locks because, for one, y'all already know with locks, that scalp is tender. Anyway, so setting the dryer. After that, I just go ahead and tie my hair down for the night and wake up, and we got this. We got this. You okay? I'm gonna get some Tylenol. We just got to. My stomach is hurting. What? Alright. I do it. Alright, y'all, so here are my final results for my retwist. So let's get into it. That's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you on my next one.